Today we're going to make a marinade for peri peri chicken. So first we're going to decode this red bell pepper, remove all the white parts from it. Then roughly chop it into 4 pieces. Add this to a mixer. Now add around 20 garlic pods. Now take some refined oil, around 3 tablespoons. If you have olive oil, please use it. I didn't have. So this is an herb mix. It's basically a mix of rosemary and oregano and basil and dried parsley. I'm gonna add salt now, around 1¾ teaspoons. And finally, the juice of half a lime. Now the main ingredient. So this is powdered bay leaf. So you can add around a teaspoon of this. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of paprika powder. Generally I add 2 red bird's eye chili, but since it's not available, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of paprika. Here's a picture for you. So if we're adding this, we'll add only 1 tablespoon of paprika. We have here half kg of chicken thighs. Now let's make some incisions on the chicken. Diagonally, just make 3 slits. Now repeat the same on the other side. Now we'll grind the mixture. Once you're done, you'll get this perfectly red marinade. Add that to the chicken. Now mix this well into the chicken. Ensure that all the incisions have the marinade. It looks perfect. Now we'll refrigerate this for half an hour or overnight, whichever is feasible. I'm gonna do it overnight. So tomorrow we will cook this chicken. Until then, add about half a tablespoon of oil. So basically we don't really need much oil to cook the chicken because we've already marinated it with enough oil. So here I'm just using 3 chicken pieces. Now there'll be some leftover marinade, so just baste that over the chicken. Now cook till you get a good sear on one side of the chicken, then cover with a lid. And now every 5 minutes keep flipping the chicken till it's cooked well. And in case the pan gets dry, occasionally add some more oil. It depends on the cut of the meat. Here's your amazing chicken. Bye!